Children, this is the time of English oral, and yesterday as I told you there are 26 letters in English alphabet. Okay, there are 26 letters in English alphabet, and these are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So these are 26 letters of English alphabet. Okay. So now we will learn the same thing with different types of pictures, and I will not tell you the name of pictures. You will only tell me the name of pictures. Children, yesterday we have done alphabets through cutouts, but today we will do alphabets through different types of pictures, and I will not tell you the picture's name, but you have to tell me the name of picture. Okay, are you ready? Now start. The first letter is A. Now tell me which picture is this? Yes, aeroplane. A for aeroplane. The next one, tell me which picture is this? Apple. Yes, A for apple. The next one is, this one is, which picture is this? Ant. Yes, A for ant. A for aeroplane, A for apple, A for ant. The next one is, next picture is, yes, B. B letter. Okay, B for, which picture is this? Ball. Yes, B for ball, B for butterfly, and B for bell. Yes, B for ball, B for butterfly, B for bell. Now the next one. C. The letter C. C for, which picture is this? Cap. Yes, C for cap, C for car, C for candle. Yes, C for cap, C for car, C for candle. Which letter will come after C? Yes, D. So D for doll. D for doll, D for dog, D for deer. D for doll, D for dog, D for deer. After D, which letter will come? Yes, E. E. E for elephant, E for ear, E for envelope. I repeat, E for elephant, E for ear, E for envelope. Now, which letter will come after E? F. Yes, F for fish, F for flower, F for flag. F for fish, F for flower, F for flag. Now, the next letter is after F. Which letter will come? G. Yes, G for giraffe. G for giraffe, G for grapes, G for glass. G for giraffe, G for grapes, G for glass. Now, which letter come after G? H. Yes, H. H for hut, H for honeybee, H for hen. I repeat, H for hut, H for honeybee, H for hen. Now the next letter will come after H. I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. I for igloo. I for ice cream. I for ink pot. This letter will come after I. J. J for joker. J for jug. J for jelly. I repeat. J for joker. J for jug. J for jelly. Now the next one. After J, which letter will come? K. Okay. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for kite. K for kangaroo. K for key. Then after which letter will come after K? L. Yes, L for lollipop. L for lion. L for lamp. L for lollipop. L for lion. L for lamp. Now after L, which letter will come? Yes, M. M for moon. M for mouse. M for mango. I repeat. M for moon. M for mouse. M for mango. Now the next one is, which letter will come after M? N. Yes. N for nest. N for nip. N for net. I repeat. N for nest. N for nip. N for net. And after N, which letter will come? O. Yes. O. O for owl. O for orange. O for onion. I repeat. O for owl. O for orange. O for onion. Now the next letter will come after O. Which letter will come? P. Yes, P. P for parrot. P for potato. P for pencil. I repeat. P for parrot. P for potato. P for pencil. And after P, which letter will come? Q. Yes, Q. Q for quilt. Q for quack. Q for quill. I repeat. Q for quilt. Q for quack. Q for quill. Now the next one. After Q, which letter will come? R. Yes, R. R for rainbow. R for rose. R for rabbit. Okay, I repeat. R for rainbow. R for rose. R for rabbit. Now the next. Which letter will come after R? Yes. S. S for sheep. S for snake. S for strawberry. I repeat. S for sheep. S for snake. S for strawberry. And after S, which letter will come? T. Yes, T for tomato. T for teddy bear. T for tortoise. I repeat. T for tomato. T for teddy bear. T for tortoise. Now the next one after T, which letter will come? U. U for umbrella. U for ugly. U for universe. I repeat. U for umbrella, U for ugly, U for universe. Now the next, after U, which letter will come? V. Yes, V for vase, V for vegetables, V for van. V for vegetables, V for vase, V for van. Now after V, which letter will come? W. Yes, W for wool, W for watermelon, W for wood. Now the next letter is X. X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray. Okay, I repeat. X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree, X for X-ray. Now the next letter will come after X, Y. Y for yak, Y for yacht, Y for yo-yo. And the last letter of English alphabet is Z. Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zebra crossing. Okay, Z for zebra, Z for zip, Z for zebra crossing.